With all the seed catalogs coming in that have such beautiful plant pictures and wonderful plant descriptions, whether you're new to gardening or well-versed, it's often tempting to try to find new plants to grow in your garden. And while buying seeds is a cheaper option, all those seed packets can add up pretty quickly and get expensive. And what guarantee do you have that those plants will work in your garden? One resource that might help you to narrow down your plant selection and also have more success in the garden is All America Selections. This is a nonprofit organization that does blind performance and taste tests on new varieties that are not yet available on the market. To ensure that they're truly new and improved varieties, they also grow them out alongside some of the market standards and some other plants that have very similar characteristics. They work with respected horticulturists across the country and have about over 80 trial gardens that they grow these out. In addition to the trial gardens, they also work with cities, universities, and public gardens to establish display gardens that showcase some of the previous AAS winners. As they say, tested nationally and proven locally. And we're excited here at the Botanic Garden at Oklahoma State University to be named as one of the new display gardens for AAS. Which means we're going to grow out a lot of these seeds and see how well they perform right here in Stillwater, Oklahoma. All of the gardens, both trials and display gardens, are divided up into regions. So in addition to the national AAS winners, there's also regional plant winners. We are in the Southwest region, or the Mountain region, which covers states from Oklahoma to Texas, up to Colorado, and as far west as California. And I suspect that some of these regional winners will do really well in our hot, dry climates. So as a display garden, we received over 52 varieties of seeds that we're going to grow out and plant in the garden. While a lot of them are vegetables, there are also a few ornamentals. While AAS doesn't directly market to the consumer, you might not be familiar with some of these newer varieties, but I guarantee you've probably heard of some of the older varieties, especially when it comes to tomatoes, such as the 1984 Celebrity variety, or the 1995 Big Beef, or perhaps the 1999 Juliet tomato. Again, you might not be familiar with some of these newer ones that we'll be showcasing, but we hope that you stick with us this season as we highlight how these plants do right here in Stillwater, Oklahoma. We want you to be successful in your garden this season, and this is one resource that might help you. For more information about the All America Selections seeds and where you can purchase them, visit their website.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.